Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by updating and connecting quickly. Make sure your Samsung Crystal UHD has current firmware and that both TV and phone or laptop share the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, open the TV settings, then the connection or general menu, and enable screen mirroring or Smart View. This allows discovery. You should also enable any device discovery options on your phone or PC now, because immediate pairing speeds the process and avoids repeated device authorization prompts. Now you initiate the connection from your source device. Open Smart View on Samsung phones, Cast on Android, or Connect on Windows. When you see the TV name, tap it and watch for the TV authorization pop-up. Accept it to pair. If a PIN appears, enter it on the device. Entering it confirms a secure link. Make sure to choose Always Allow only on trusted devices because persistent permission reduces friction for future mirroring sessions. Finish by optimizing display settings. Set the TV picture mode and match the source resolution for clarity. Once mirrored, test audio sync and change the TV input if needed. If you encounter lag or stutter, move both devices closer to the router, switch to 5 GHz, or connect the TV via Ethernet for stability. If pairing fails, restart both devices and re-enable screen mirroring. This common reset often clears temporary network.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.